Hey guys, it's Solo here, and today is March 8th, which means that most of us are out here enjoying our new Samsung Galaxy S10 devices. I know I am. So I figured that we should probably go over how to connect your brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch to your new Samsung Galaxy 10. Now, I do want to stress that while we are doing this video with the Galaxy S10e, this process will work with the S10 and the S10 Plus. So let's get started. First, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you own the Galaxy Wearable App. If not, you're going to want to go to the Play Store and download that for free. And when you do, you're going to want to click on that. Galaxy Wearables, start the journey. And you're going to pick your device from the Galaxy Watch Active, the Galaxy Fit, Galaxy Bud, Galaxy Watch, Gear Sport, Gear Fit 2, Gear Icon, or Gear S3. But today we're going to do the Galaxy Watch. You're going to accept that the wearable app is going to need to use the phone's location, storage, phone, and contacts. Okay. And you're going to make sure to allow those things. And let's pair up. And, oh, look. So right now, my watch is on the pairing screen, and the phone app asked me, do I want to connect to the Galaxy Watch? I'm actually going to press cancel. So if you were not to see your device, you can actually scan from here, and your watch should pop up here, where you would click that, and it's going to set up your phone to prepare to sync to the watch. I do want to stress that you do have to connect your watch to the phone via Bluetooth when you first get it. You don't have to keep it that way. You can use a Samsung account to keep them connected, but for the first setup, you do have to do it via Bluetooth. So Bluetooth has to be on both the phone and the watch itself. And as we are nearing completion, of course, my watch face went off. Conserving battery, setting up your phone, 99%. Can we get to that last 1%? Perfect. Finish pairing. And we're gonna get a how to use. Bluetooth pairing requests. Press OK on both sides. And tells me to check my phone to complete setup. It's attempting to finish pairing. And typically, when you do have it connected, under Smart Things, you will actually see the watch. My watch, for some strange reason, is called DCBC. I'm not sure if that's actually just a standard name for the watch, but we'll let it continue to finish pairing. And I guess since we have to wait, we can go over the how to use. Your watch face is the main screen of your phone. Swipe left to show different widgets. Swipe right to show notifications. The back key is this top key here. Home key is the bottom key here. Getting the best heart rate. To get the best heart rate, wear your watch about a finger's width above your wrist joint. And you can also turn on your notification settings. We have a watch paired. Okay, to continue, we have to agree to the term and agreements, of course. We're going to allow those. Following options, we can use Bixby, find my watch and find my phone, mapping tech, diagnostic info, and I'll just agree to all. Next. I don't have a backup, so we're going to skip that for now. Next. And now they're going to check for mobile service. You do not have to have mobile service to use the watch. If you do, text messages and calls will be pushed to your phone regardless. To use your watch. Yep. You're all set. Enjoy your watch. Now you see my new watch face, and I can check out some other watch faces and apply those, supposing I care to. And you can see it update pretty much real time. Swipe right or left. Weather, tap to allow permissions. Let it access location for that. Looking for my location. We can also discover new watch faces, applications, home. You can see your watch percentage, storage, RAM, tips, payment information. And I do want to stress for your watch, if you cannot find the Bluetooth, you can actually swipe down. The watch does have its own notification shade. Actually, let me jump home. And you have your battery percentage here, but you can actually, you have do not disturb here. You can go to settings, and you can actually change your watch faces from the phone itself. Scroll through, sound, vibration, display, but you can also go to connections, where you can choose if you want to connect via Bluetooth or mobile network, or connect your phone to Wi-Fi. We'll jump back home, and I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below whether or not you actually did pick up the Galaxy S10 device today and what accessories you have to go with it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys next time.